So lately, I've just been feeling like stuck, overwhelmed, and just really haven't had a ton of energy. And I was trying to decide what I could do to kind of move things forward. And I decided to clean out my closet because that was something that didn't cost anything and would allow me to just make some progress and do some things around the house. So while I was cleaning out the closet, it definitely made me feel better, and there were things about it that started to improve my mood and make me feel more productive. And I definitely wanted to capture that and hold on to as much of that as I could moving forward. Um, and I realized that as I was going through that process, it reduced a lot of like mental load that I was having. When your space is untidy or unorganized, it really creates a mental and visual barrier for you. And I was definitely feeling that. Clutter means decisions for a lot of us, decision of whether or not to keep something or give it away or throw it in the trash. I mean, that's really my last alternative, is to throw something away. I'd much rather give it to someone who's going to use it. And for me, it was a lot of clothing that I didn't wear anymore that I needed to get rid of. It was just taking up mental space. With the clean space, I'm able to have an easier time of finding things, but also the mental clutter that I was feeling has definitely gone down. For a lot of us, the closet is the first thing we see in the day and sometimes the last thing we see. And to have it clean and organized definitely starts your day off on the right track. If your closet's chaotic, a lot of times your day can follow suit, and nobody wants that. A streamlined wardrobe means you get quicker choices and you're not looking for things as much. And hopefully that can be a lot less stress getting ready for people. Cleaning the closet was definitely on one of my lists of things I really wanted to get done around the house. And so I feel like that little bit of dopamine hit that I've gotten from cleaning it out has translated into other goals and other projects that I want to get done. So I'm trying to ride that high right now to enjoy that and use that momentum to move forward to get other things done. There's so many times that so many of us can get stuck in our head about wanting to get something done, but some action is better than no action at all. And so once I started moving forward and just cleaning things out, making decisions, I felt a mental shift because of the physical momentum that I was building. And that was definitely something that I enjoyed and has spilled over into other things that I want to get done now. I'm just enjoying mentally feeling the clarity of not having that clutter just staring at me every day. I told myself I needed to make decisions quickly. I wasn't going to sit on each piece and deliberate for an hour. I had to make a choice right then and there. Have I worn this, and am I going to wear it anytime soon? And if the answer was no, then it needed to go. And so I really forced myself to make quick decisions, and I felt like that I was able to move quickly through the items by not allowing myself a lot of time to make the decisions. And the more I practiced these decisions, the easier they became. And now I'm trying to build on that because I've seen where the more smaller decisions you're able to make quicker, then you're able to make larger, big decisions faster and easier. So I'm hoping to enjoy that. I'd say next time you're stuck, just choose something easy, like an easy, short little project. For me, it was cleaning out the closet. Quick, easy decisions whose consequences aren't that big. You're able to move on and move quickly, and hopefully you build on that momentum and you're able to start tackling bigger things. I know this worked for me, and I hope it works for you guys. If you've made it this far, I thank you guys for watching. I'm still enjoying the process of learning a lot about video making. If you're enjoying watching me in this process, just make sure to like and subscribe, and that way I can keep creating these. Thanks again. See you guys soon.